everybody, welcome back to another grocery haul. Mama's back there, I don't know if you can see her. She's unloading a couple more groceries. So this grocery haul is over Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Dollar General, our meat market in town, and anything else?
I think that's it.
And I think that's it, guys. So stay tuned because this is a big and a juicy one. So we have a lot of things. And Mom's dropping things. So, guys, make sure you subscribe, like, and turn the post notifications on for all of my mom's newest videos. Now let's get straight into this grocery haul. Okay, guys. So we're starting out at Walmart. So first we have some King Hawaiian mini set rolls. My mom gets some with chicken salad cheetos.
Yes, I'll show you all that in just a little bit.
We have some lettuce. We have a 6-pack of Hershey's bars because I don't know if y'all have not watched the video. We made like mini s'mores.
And Budget Bethany made one too, the same way. You use the little mini graham cracker shell things. Anyways.
Yeah. So we got a pack of those. We have 3 Baby Bell cheese, 2 cans of green beans, a bag of medium cheddar cheese. Got some honey butter grands. Pizza rolls. Pizza rolls. Tomatoes. 2 cucumbers. We have some heat and some chocolate chips because we're going to be baking. We got some of this. Bryce actually said he wanted this.
Actually, we did it as a joke. We're like, oh, Bryce, we got you some Baby Shark.
No, we got mac and cheese. That's good.
Yeah, so it's Baby Shark mac and cheese.
French vanilla.
And if y'all don't know, Bryce is 15, so we thought that was funny.
Ranch Doritos and garlic salsa, sun chips, cheese and garlic croutons, and guys,
She had to try these. She's a Talkie fan.
these are Talkie Blue Heat. If they're blue, I'd be like,
Have y'all ever tried these? Let us know down in the comments below what you thought of them.
yeah.
All right.
We'll go,
Courtney.
I guess, to food.
We'll show
I
you
got this shirt. It says, today's mood, sassy with a chance of sarcasm.
That's about right for her.
We got some of these little fuzzy sticks because we're going to be using these for the wreath that we're going to be making. Some Phantom.
I don't know how you pronounce it, but someone told me to take this for heartburn, y'all, and
she used already a whole one. So.
Not quite. I still have a little bit left. And Courtney picked this candle out.
This is Velvet Sunset, and it's in the Walmart brand. I smell it. I know, it smells amazing. Now, let's get back to the food. We have some home-style soft and fluffy flour tortillas, some cheddar cheese crackers. Guys, if you do not know that I love Taco Bell, the non-original.
She wanted to try that.
We got some seasoning mix, you know, because Taco Bell's meat is amazing.
That's what I want. Cinnamon Life cereal.
Cinnamon cereal. Pumpkin delight cookies that are nasty.
Nuh-uh, me and Adrian love them.
Some quart size.
No, that is the gallon.
Gallon.
And that is a quart.
We got some Cheeto mac and cheese.
Courtney wanted to get those.
Flaming hot. If you don't know so far, I like flaming hot stuff.
These
are so good. Mini fruit cherry pie.
Oh, this quickly is from our Hobby Lobby haul. We're going to make
We got some blue mesh ribbon, some white mesh ribbon, and some orange mesh ribbon.
And this cute fiddle. Let me get it to focus for y'all.
Look how cute that is, guys. That's some ribbon.
Oh,
this is from Dollar General. We got some pumpkin spice donuts and
Walmart didn't have any
A1. Oh, there's one more here.
Okay, y'all. Here, this is from the meat market.
Our meat market. So we got 4 packs of clean ground beef.
And
this is the autumn
so
berry chicken salad, guys.
I love this stuff.
This is what my mom uses with those subs in there. I've tried them once. They're actually pretty good. Some more eggs.
These are new, y'all. I can't wait to try these. These are
cherry-filled crescent rolls.
Mm-hmm.
We have some ground pork, guys.
I'm going to be making a recipe with using that.
Milk. We have some buttermilk Eggos, some sausage, egg, and cheese biscuits, and some steak and mac. Little TV
haven't
dinner.
seen these in a long time. I used to get them at Kroger's a lot for lunches.
Let's see if there's anything in here.
I don't think there's anything left. I think I got everything out.
Let's go here, guys. Now something.
Oh, she wants to show y'all her waters. She went ahead because we brought Subway home, so we wanted to eat our food real quick.
Oh,
so we
these are the
put
ones
some
we
of the
got.
stuff away.
We got these little clear American, like little. They're supposed to be like those sparkling ice
Sorry
waters.
about the lighting in here, y'all. I just realized it's pretty
Sorry.
dark.
This is the peach nectar, and we have two more, guys. This is the watermelon cucumber and the strawberry banana. And I got one of these sparkling ice brands. It's strawberry kiwi. It's over here on the table.
Okay, y'all, so thank y'all so much for watching today's grocery haul. I hope that y'all like the video, and if you like videos like this, please hit that thumbs up button down below. Also, subscribe if you're not subscribed. I try to do grocery hauls at least every other week. Not every week, because sometimes we don't need stuff every week. But I do what's for dinner video. I do what's for dinner videos every Friday morning, 8 a.m. Central Time. So check back on Friday.
And we try to do cleaning videos every night.
Actually, I have a cleaning video I need to edit. So we'll see if I can get that up this week. If not, it will be up next week. So thank y'all so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye, y'all.
Yeah.